Talk to me. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lachelle Trends, and sis, in today's video I'm coming to you with a Walmart haul. Like sis, if you don't know by now, Walmart is my favorite store to shop at. Like girl, and they just literally got so many new things as to why we're doing another Walmart haul. And yes, this is another fall Walmart haul. I think I probably have already done two. So yeah, we got some more fall items and I can't wait to show you guys. This time around I only went to one store, which is really good because normally I at least go to two or maybe three, but this was a one-stop shop for me. So yeah, I'm excited. I will try to have everything of what I can linked in the description box below. As you already know, some things are in store only, but again, you guys, I will let you know what those things are in the description box. And per usual, you will go shopping with me and see what my store has to offer. So yes, sis, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel, I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as playing makeup. So go ahead and join the gang, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah, girl, let's jump into it. So again, y'all, per usual, you're going to start off by going shopping with me, take a look at what my store has to offer, then we'll go ahead and jump into the styling of the outfits. Okay, sis, so for this first outfit turns out really cute. This is the top. This top is from the brand Time and True, and it's one size, and it was $18.97. And this is actually not even supposed to be like a top on its own. It's supposed to be a underneath thing to where it has your little turtleneck and you put over a sweater over it, and you know what I'm trying to say. It's just not even supposed to be a top, but your girl turned it into a top because I thought it would be cute. And I feel like these tops, there's tops sold like this that are trending right now. So I'm like, girl, let's just turn this into a top. So that's what I did. I added some safety pins on this side to officially make it a top. And I just thought it was real cute that way. As you can see, the safety pin is not your normal safety pin. It's a thick safety pin that I got from Hobby Lobby. I believe it's like 2 for $5. Not expensive at all. And I was actually going to use these safety pins for a different clothing item. Like I was going to cut up a sweater and use it. But I'm like, girl, we're just going to use this for this top. So that's what I did. And it just turned out super cute and cropped just the way I like it. Y'all know I love a good crop top. So yeah. So then I paired it with these jeans. These jeans are super cute. They're like a black washed denim and it's washed with white. So it was perfect to pair with the top. These are from the brand Time and True as well. And I got them in a size 8 and these were $21.98. The size 8 fits me perfect. Like sis, when I say perfect, like there's no room at all. Like it's just perfect fitting. These are not stretchy at all. They're literally like just non-stretch denim, but they're true to size, so get your real size or whatever, and they're gonna fit like sis. And they're cropped. So I added the shoes that I added just because that these are cropped denim. So if you don't want cropped denim, don't get these. They come up maybe 2 or 3 inches above my ankle. So again, I had to pair it the way that I did so that you're not able to see the croppedness. But these were the only denim jeans that was able to go with the look that I was going for. So that's why I got these jeans, because I normally don't like a cropped jean. But yeah, it turns out super cute paired with the shoes and then paired with the bag. I was going for like a dressy but non-dressy look, like a casual look. Y'all get it. So the next look is really plain and simple we have this black t-shirt that I got from the juniors department. This is from the brand No Boundaries, and I got it in a size large. And I believe these tops, they're the ones that are folded up or whatever, and I think this was like only $7, $7.98, so $8 or whatever. And it's just really stretchy. The large fits me great. I normally wear a size medium, but since this is juniors, I decided to do a size up just in case, and I'm glad I did because it does fit me really nice. But y'all, again, it's just really plain and simple. Then I paired it with these black stretchy jeans. They're really like jeggings. The material is very stretchy and it's nice overall. Girl, the tag just fell, but I got them in a size medium, and they were, I believe, $14, because it doesn't say on that tag that just fell, but I believe it was $14 or whatever. But y'all, these fit me really good. At first I got it in a size large, and the large was really too big, but the medium fits me super nice. It has the little fake pockets in the front, but it has real pockets on the back where you can stick your hand in it. But overall, you guys, this is a really nice fit. Then to like give it a look, I went ahead and paired it with this vest. Y'all, these vests I think are making a comeback. Last year they started to come back into style, and then this year as well. Like, I keep seeing more vests, so yeah, why not get a vest? It's super cute, and I love a long vest. I got this in a size medium. I kind of wish I got it in a size large, just because y'all already know your girl loves an oversized fit, but I think it fits me nicely overall. This is from the brand Swiss Tech, and it was $34.98, which isn't a bad price. I feel like all of these long vests are at least in the $30 range and up. I know it was one that I saw at H&M that was like $50. So yeah, $34 is a good price point for this jacket. It's super, I'm not gonna say super light, but it is a lightweight. It's not thick at all, but it's not thin. So maybe it's just right in the middle. It as well has like a little hood on the back. Just overall, you guys, this is a super cute jacket, and they had this jacket in more colors. I believe black and gray, I'm not sure, but just like your basic colors. But I got it, girl, I can never talk in any video, it never fails. But I got it in red, just to go with my Jordans. The reds are a little off, but I mean, you can't really tell. It goes, you know, who's looking that hard? But yeah, and then I paired it with just a black and white bag just to tie in the black and white, and I think it's a cute look. So on this next outfit, I switched it up just a little bit. We kept the same black base from the last outfit, but I went ahead and paired this jacket with it instead of the vest, just because this jacket was just calling my name, and it has been calling my name for a long time. I just kept pushing it back, but it was only one more size medium left, so I figure if I don't get it now, it's not going to be there. So I went ahead and got this black jacket. It's from the brand George, and I got it in a size medium, and it was $27.98. If you know, you know. These jackets are here year-round. Every year they come out with these jackets. This year they had like different styles, and I just love this black and dark red jacket. Girl, it's just really cute, and I already knew what I was gonna wear it with. I hadn't really I've never wore my little patent leather J's, and I was like, girl, this is gonna be a perfect match. So yeah, just super cute. It has the fur in the inside. It doesn't have fur in the sleeves or whatever. If you can see, it's just like silk material. But y'all, when I say these jackets are so comfortable, like sis, I have 1, 2, 3, I think I have 4 or 5. Like sis, I'm obsessed. Like, girl, get you a jacket. And I think these jackets are literally only in the stores, but again, I'll try to, you know, see what I can do. But girl, the jacket is bomb. So this next outfit, I pulled out the same top that I wore in my last video. So if you saw my last video, you have already saw this top, but this top went really well with the outfit, so we pulled it out one more time. So as you can see, it says the Rolling Stones. Super cute. I got it in a size large. If you watched my last video, I had got it in a size 2XL, but then I took it back and I got the large. But sis, now that I got the large, I'm like, girl, this is too small. Like, I need an extra large and or that 2XL that I took back. But it's too late because I already done wore this shirt too many times. But yeah, so this is the top. Again, if you want it to be oversized, probably get an XL. But yeah, overall, it fits me okay. It's super cute, and it went with the vest. So this is the vest, y'all. This vest is just, it's so cute. Like the colors, it also came in a different color scheme as well, but I like this color scheme just because I knew I had some shoes to go with it. It's kind of giving like patent leather type of vibes, and just super cute, sis. So this is from the brand Love Sports. I got it in a size medium and it was $38. Now I ain't gonna lie, I thought twice about getting this because $38 is a little pricey, and being that I had just bought one for $34 and it was longer and stuff like that. But I mean, you kind of, I don't know, it has all of the colors, it's really different, so just why not. But yeah, super cute. It has pockets right here, but you can barely see them, like, yeah. But it's a zipper and it has pockets, real pockets that has like, I ain't gonna say fur, but it's like warm and fuzzy in the inside. And this is like a medium thick jacket. I love that it's not too thin. It's good quality, so maybe that's why it's $38, but it's super cute, sis. And then I paired it, girl, let me find it. I paired it with some, girl, what are these? Sweatpants. I paired it with some sweatpants. The sweatpants is from the brand Athletic. Yeah, Athletic, and I got them in a size medium. These are from the men's department, and if you know, you know, Walmart comes out with these sweats every year. This time they're $9.99. Sis, too much. Even though I still bought them because I literally buy some every year because I feel like they get worn out because they're so inexpensive, and I get them in every color. But normally they're like $6.99, $7.99, but I guess with the time that we're in right now, I'll say recession, because it literally feels like that because all of the prices are just like skyrocketed. These are not, are now $9. They tripping, but I still got them. But yeah, it went with the outfit. It just is like a real just chill outfit, like throw on something, but I'm still trying to, you know, look like somebody. So I'm gonna throw on the vest and throw on the sneakers just to, you know, we're still trying to do something without doing something. That's the look that I'm going for. So yeah, these sweats went really nicely with it, and they fit me nice as well. But if you want to stay true to size, y'all know how I am. But I keep saying it just for the people who don't know that I love oversized things and I don't like my stuff to fit tight. So yeah, the medium fits me just perfectly, but if not, get your normal size. But overall, it paired well with my Jordans and then my little bag or whatever. Everything just, it was cute. This last outfit, y'all, I did it for the girls who like to be girls, if that makes sense. Like, I did it for the girls that like to be dressy, and because I like to be dressy sometimes too. So this is that outfit, and girl, I love me a good t-shirt dress. Like, girl, and this one is like super thick. Anyway, let's get into it. It's from Free Assembly, the brand. I got it in a size medium and it was $34. And just again, y'all, the quality to this dress, Free Assembly always has good quality. This dress is, girl, nice quality. It's really thick material, just like nice, girl. I love the pattern. I wish this came in more colors because I probably would get a different color in this as well. It's the perfect like length because I don't like too short. Girl, the length is perfect. It as well has pockets. I love a good pocket dress. I love pockets. Like, girl, overall this is really cute, and it has the buttons right here if you want to button it up more, but you know how I come. I always have to have like the little long V or whatever. Girl, I be acting like I got something to show. But anyway, so yeah, I like the little long V, so I didn't button it up. I paired it with some thigh-high boots because I just thought it was really cute. But if you want to dress this down and wear like the little midi booties, that would be cute too, because I started to do that. But girl, overall it's just really cute. It's a really nice fit. I will say this, it was a struggle for me to get out of it because it fits me just right. So I probably should size up to a size large. I don't know, but anyways, super cute outfit. So that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.